Putting together a solid business project or plan can be seriously overwhelming, often taking hours just to sort out the structure and formatting before you even get to the real strategy. But what if you could make that whole process heaps easier? Today, we're checking out Vengage's AI Plan Generator, a powerful design tool that takes you from a simple text prompt to a detailed, professionally designed plan in just minutes, giving you the time and creative confidence to actually focus on smashing your real goal. Alright, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how this works. I'm starting here on Vengage's AI Plan Generator, and the whole idea is dead simple. You go from a single prompt to a finished professional looking plan in just a couple of minutes. No blank page, no sitting there staring at an empty canvas, wondering where to even begin. You just tell it what you're planning and it builds the whole structure for you. So all I'm going to do is describe what I need. I'll give it a real example, a marketing plan for launching a new app, and I'll chuck in a bit of detail about the goals, the timeline, and the channels I care about. The more context you give it, the sharper the result you get back. So I'm just going to go and generate plans. While it's working, you can already watch it laying everything out. Sections, headings, a timeline, the whole lot. It's all structured for you. So in a few seconds, we've gone from one sentence to a complete organized plan. Now, that's something that would normally chew up a good chunk of your arvo. And there you have it, the final product it's given me. You can see here, I asked for the 90-day go-to-market marketing plan for the launch, and it's done it. So it's got the first 30 days. You've got focus, objective, channels, budget allocation, success metrics. Then you've got the first 60 days and then the first 90 days. So it's breaking it down for me perfectly. Now here's where it gets good. This isn't some flat export you're stuck with. It drops you straight into the editor and everything on the page is fully editable. So if you're not a designer, you can make this look great without touching a single proper design tool. And if you're a designer, you've got all the room you want to go deeper. Say I want this opening half paragraph to pack a bit more punch. I just select the text, open the AI writing tools, and I can rewrite it. I can tighten it up or expand it without ever leaving the page or breaking my flow. You can see I'm asking it to rewrite this into 2 punchy, confident sentences aimed at busy stakeholders. Keep it concise and action-oriented, and then I'll just click go. And it's done it for you. So it says, I've updated the text to be more direct for your stakeholders. Our 90-day strategy scales flow state into a market leader through targeted social influencer and paid campaigns. We're positioned to capture the productivity market and drive rapid user acquisition. So it's done exactly what I asked for. So it's the same deal with the visuals. Instead of digging through a stock library, I can just generate a custom icon that actually fits the brand. I'll describe what I want, pick a style, and swap out one of the default icons for it. So I'll go to generate icons here and I'll describe what I want. So I've gone for a minimalist flat line icon of a rocket launching, single accent color, clean and modern. And then I'll just click generate. And there you go, 4 different ones you can choose from. Personally, I'll probably go for this one, and it just drops straight in. Perfect. You can even tweak it. You can do the AI changes again as well. You can swap out the image, crop it, change the shapes, whatever you like. And if you're ever not sure what'll look better, the Smart Suggestions feature gives you AI-powered design tips on the fly. Little nudges to tidy up the layout without second-guessing yourself. Now, this next bit is something most design tools just don't bother with, and it's worth paying attention to. Vengage is built around accessible design. So before I export, I can actually check that this plan works for everyone who's going to read it, not just assume it does. I open the accessibility checker, and it runs through the entire design. Color contrast, reading order, alt text, the lot. Anything that's a problem gets flagged, and it tells you how to fix it. Anything that passes gets a nice green tick, and it's checking my color contrast as I design, so the text always stays readable. And it'll even write the alt text for my images automatically, so screen readers can actually describe them. Then, once it's all sorted, I just export it as a PDF, and that PDF comes out fully accessible, compliant with the standards, ready to hand over to a client or stakeholder with total confidence that everyone can read it. And the best part, right? You don't need to pay a cent to try any of this. Just register for a free account, and you've got access to over 100 AI generators, with new ones being added every single week. So whatever you're working on next, a plan, a report, a pitch deck, there's a tool there ready for it. Transform your designs in minutes with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in my description to generate your first plan for free and use code AIBRAIN50 to get 50% off your annual plan for Vengage Premium or Business Plan. Catch you in the next one.